Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku Charts.com daily analysis for gold for Wednesday, September 25th, 2013. Well, a change of trend today in a candle that's made a higher high and a higher low. A white body candle, and as expected we saw potential for a change of trend, but the market had to trade up above the 1329 level. That level had acted as solid resistance for the previous two trading days, and today the market has taken that area out in a bullish manner. A nice enlargement of the size of the white body, previously in a small white body, and this suggests that the buyers have found some decent momentum to the upside in net terms. They have made some solid net bullish progress on the day between the open and the close, and the buyers have been strong enough to close the market up between the midpoint level and the high, suggesting that it is moderately strong control. A couple of worrying factors here, however, are that the market failed to close above the Tenkan-sen, and we know that the Ichimoku indicators can act as areas of support and resistance, and we expected that the market might find some resistance there. The market probed above that area and was rejected from above that area, so crucial to trading tomorrow is whether the market can maintain price action above that Tenkan-sen and actually close above the Tenkan-sen. If we do see strong early bullish activity above there, and especially above the high of today's trading, we could quickly see the market testing to the 1350 level. The market may also see some support coming in around the 1329 level. It coincides with the top of the cloud, and that will be a very, very important area of potential support for this market. In terms of the Fibonacci extension, and now that we're in a first time frame uptrend, we're examining the relationship of the first time frame uptrend to the previous time the market was trending up, and here we've seen the market test to the 38.2% level and be rejected from there. There is a suggestion we could see the market come off and change trend, but looking at the characteristics of this candle and the fact that we've got a new first time frame uptrend beginning, the buyers are starting to come back into this market, it does suggest that the market may trade through the 38.2% level and perhaps test to the 50% level. So the 50% level is an area that we do need to watch if the market does trade higher. 1347 is the level for the 50% Fibonacci extension. In terms of the Fibonacci retracement, here we've seen the market test almost to the 50% level, being rejected from there. As I've mentioned, the short-term dynamics are not favouring the sellers. They are fairly strongly favouring the buyers, and does suggest that the market could test once again to the 50% level and even beyond. A bullish close up above the 38.2% level does suggest that the 50% level at 1340 may come into play, and the area above there is the 61.8% level at 1348. In terms of Ichimoku, we now have a bullish market in the long-term time frame, with the market trading out up above the cloud, and we were trading just within the cloud for the previous day's trading, giving us a neutral market. And with this solid bullish close above the cloud, it does suggest that we have a buy signal with the Ichimoku charts, and it is a fairly strong buy signal as well. With the market trading above the cloud now, what we want to see is follow through. So we want to see the market making a higher high and a higher low if we are going to see the market trade to higher levels. As I've mentioned, the next higher level here is the 1350 level, based on the previous support and resistance areas. In terms of the Kijun-sen, we have the market trading down below the Kijun-sen, so we still have a bearish market in the medium-term time frame, and that Kijun-sen is pointing flat, and price action is now being attracted back towards there. So this does support the idea that we could see the market continue to trade higher. The Kijun-sen has the opportunity to act as potential resistance if the market does trade through the 1350 level as well. In terms of the Tenkan-sen, the market is closed just at the Tenkan-sen, basically giving us a neutral market in that short-term time frame. And previously, where we had the market trading down below the Tenkan-sen, it was bearish. Now we've had a change of sentiment, not a strong change, however. So what we're going to see is a bullish close up above the Tenkan-sen, the green line, to give us some faith in the move that the market's attempting at the moment. Looking across here at the Chikou span, that is above the below the corresponding price action. So it's suggesting that market has still some negative momentum in the bigger picture, and therefore is not supporting the bullish breakout that we've seen. So it does raise some doubt about whether this bullish breakout that we've seen can continue. So it really does mean that we want to see follow through, and if we don't see that follow through, it's certainly not going to be a reliable signal for us. It does support the negativity that we're seeing in the medium-term time frame, with the market trading down below the Kijun-sen, and obviously with the market being neutral in the short-term time frame, certainly not supporting that. The market has very, very solid support down below where it's trading, and certainly the amount of support that's close by is much stronger than the amount of resistance in the very short-term time frame, with the trend being up and the short-term dynamics favouring the trend to the upside. Really the area around the Tenkan-sen is crucial to this market trading higher, and the area around the previous high here. And as I've suggested, if we do see strong early bullish activity above these levels, we could see the market testing to 1350. But support here extends all the way down from 1329 down to around the round number 1300.